Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. In this video, I'm going to be coloring my hair. Well, honestly, I've already colored my hair. It's under this cap here. I use the Adore Jet Black Semi-Permanent Rinse. I really wanted to color my hair. I usually color my hair once I relax it. I haven't had a chance to since I relaxed it, and I really love doing that because it makes it look nice and rich. It makes it pop, and it just makes my hair look healthier overall. I'm also gonna mold my hair. Before I colored my hair, I outlined my hair using the olive oil scalp protector, and it's the scalp protector that I normally use when I relax my hair. I use that so in case any hair dye had gotten onto my skin, that it wouldn't stain my skin. So I really just put it around my hairline, my ears, and the back of my neck. To dye my hair, I used a dye brush. I also use this brush to relax my hair. I use it to apply my deep conditioners, and I also use it to dye my hair, of course. I'll definitely leave a link right here to all the tools that I use for my short Pixie. All the tools that I find that are important to me, that I need, and that are basic and necessary. After I distribute the dye throughout my entire head, the next thing I do is just take a comb. In this case, I used my double-sided comb. I used the thinner side to comb the product all the way throughout my hair, just to make sure that everywhere is coated from root to tip. Once I'm done combing it through, all I do is just take a cap, and I'm gonna leave the cap on for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. If you have a garbage bag, a plastic bag, you can definitely use that. They're very cheap. You can get these, like I got this pack here. It comes with a lot. I think it comes with 30 caps, and it was no more than $5. And I use this for deep conditioning and for coloring my hair. So it's versatile, and obviously you can use it as a normal shower cap. So I had this on, I want to say, for about 15 to 20 minutes now. So I'm going to go and rinse it out and then come right back. All right, so my hair is rinsed out. It looks nice and rich, nice and black. I love it. I find that when it's so nice and dark, when you wrap it, it looks so luxurious. So the foaming mousse I'm going to be using today is from Lata Body. I only have a little bit left. I think I have more upstairs, but I'm not gonna go upstairs right now for that. So I'm using the Lata Body Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And I really wanna put it in my hair before my hair gets too dry. I hope I have enough mousse. Alright, so now that I've distributed that throughout my hair, I'm just going to take my rat tail comb, and I'm going to take a fine tooth one because I want it to really go through my hair, and I want to get a really nice tight wrap. Okay, so to wrap my hair, I'm going to be using these Wrap It Junior strips. This thing dries so fast. All right, so now that my hair is dry, I mean, now that my hair is wrapped, I'm just gonna go under the hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, and that should be enough to have it really dry. All right, so my hair is completely dry. I'm gonna put on some makeup and come right back so that I can show you guys the finished look, of course. And I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair nice and shiny and luxurious looking. So I'll see you guys just now. Okay guys, so my makeup is finished. I did do like a Valentine's Day inspired look. So if you want to see that video, I will leave that in a card up here or in the description box below so you guys can check that out. So now I really want to get my hair looking nice and sheen and shiny. So I'm going to be using the Argan Oil treatment. There's usually a label on this, however my daughter ripped it off. So yeah, I'll try to leave the link to it below if you guys want to try it. So I'm just going to pour some in my hand here. And I'm going to pour more than I normally pour, like a generous amount. And when I mean generous, I mean like this much here. And I'm just going to work it through my hair. So I'm probably going to add more, but first I want to take my wide tooth comb and loosen up my mold. So I'm just going to add some more of the Argan Oil treatment. So I'm being a lot more generous than I normally am because I really want to get that sheen, almost that dolly hair look, if you know what I mean. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference already, but you get a nice sheen effect. And this is like perfect if you want to do something that's really glamorous, because you don't want your hair to look dull. You want your hair to look alive, right? And I kind of want to just place back the mold. So it's like a really soft version of it. It's not a really firm mold. So just to top it off, I'm going to use a Sheen spray. Adding the semi-permanent color really steps it up a notch. And then throwing the Argan Oil treatment in there, but I just used it a lot more generous than I normally would. But because I really wanted it to look really shiny, I just added about 3 times more than I normally would. Not afraid to really put it in there and work it throughout my hair, and that really takes it up a notch. And then I tops it with the Sheen spray. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as usual, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.